All of the engines on the Southeastern Railway like to work hard and be called really useful. More specifically, Presley, Jimbo, and Dewey. One summer morning, the skinny controller came to the yard and spoke to the engines. "Good morning, everyone. Now, as some of you may know, my annual barbecue is coming up. So today, I have 3 trains that I want you to pull today. Presley, I want you to collect a train full of salt and take them to the yards for the pretzel factory in town. Dewey, I want you to collect some coal trucks for the mainland. And Jimbo, you can take Tombo's coaches to the fitter's yard for repairs." "Yes, sir. We will certainly do our best." "That's good. Now if you all finish your jobs in time, I shall require 1 engine to take our guests to the party." And then the skinny controller left. Presley was the one most excited. "I sure would love to take those guests to the party." "Well, you can forget about that, because that job is mine." "Not if I finish first, Jimbo." You know, why do I get the feeling that this may not lead to a very happy conclusion? Dewey and Jimbo were at each other's throats for the rest of the day. Dewey collected the coal trucks. Jimbo took Tombo's coaches to the fitter's yard. And Presley collected the salt. Unlike Dewey or Jimbo, Presley was more concerned about taking his time and finishing his work safely. Well, that does it. Maybe now I can be in time for the barbecue. Oh! Presley was quite surprised when he saw Jimbo and Dewey rushing through the yards. "I get to pull the passengers." "No, I do." "Watch out, fellas!" But it was too late. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but Dewey and Jimbo were at each other's throats. Naturally, the skinny controller arrived on board Presley. He was not very happy. "Look at the mess they've made, sir." "Yes, Presley, I can see that. Dewey and Jimbo, you have caused confusion and delay. As punishment, neither of you will take the passengers to the party. Presley, since you're the only engine that did a good job around here, you get to pull them." "Thank you very much, sir. That will be a nice change." All Dewey and Jimbo could do was watch Presley as he took the passengers to the barbecue, and everyone had a wonderful day. Soon the 2 boys were sent back to the sheds after being mended. How long do you think that Dewey and Jimbo will stay in the sheds until they make up their quarrel? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.